Open your Settings app, go to the Network section, and look for Private DNS. Once you're there, select the option to configure private DNS manually and enter this address, dns.adguard.com, and that's it. With this DNS enabled, when you visit websites that usually show ads, you'll now only see blank spaces where the ads used to be. Plus, it even blocks ads inside some apps. The second method to block ads is by installing an app like Blockada. I recommend getting the version from their official website, because the Play Store version isn't as effective. Once you install Blockada, just open the app and tap the big power button. It'll ask you for VPN permissions, just accept it, and you're good to go. You can even add more block lists and customize settings if you want more aggressive blocking. However, based on my experience, Blockada can sometimes cause conflicts with certain apps, while using AdGuard's DNS alone tends to be smoother for most users. Keep in mind, though, that no method is 100% perfect. Some ads, especially in apps like Twitch, might still appear. But overall, these methods will massively improve your browsing and app experience on Android. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.